in downtown Greenville, South Carolina, filming the second week of New Year's. And I know that you guys may have your New Year's resolution that you're working on still, but guess what? You can keep it going. You don't have to stop. Statistics shows us that in the second week of January that we stop doing our New Year's resolution, but you really don't have to stop doing that because you can still step outside the box. As you can see, we're in Greenville, South Carolina, surrounded by a bunch of people and that wonderful waterfall that you saw in the background. So it's really easy to keep your resolution going. Part of mine was stepping outside the box and doing things that I haven't done before. I am here today, though, with my daughters and my wonderful husband. Let's go meet him. My wonderful husband. And we're hanging out again in Greenville, South Carolina. So remember, you can continue your resolution